Yeah, good day, everyone. This is Digitech Solution. We're back again on the track. So we're about to design some create logo for to create a logo for Moon 68. So very simple concept we are looking towards to design. So we for nowadays we don't design which of logo wasting of time. So we look for a small and creative and concept logo that suit for any businesses around the world, right? So let's start. Let's get it started. Come to pictures, and then come to rectangle, then text. I think that's the major thing we are going to use today. So let's come to text. Moon 68. Don't forget that's M for moon. Then the 68. Can you see the way it look now? Come back to text to increase. Now come back to pictures, bold it. Then we need to break this apart. So break apart, come to arrange, then break apart. Can you see breaking the stuff apart? But I would like this to be in a bold. Then same thing like the lettering also. So shift tools for closing between the gap. Don't just forget, just let us put some sign, some unique sign. Can you see that? So let's put it as tiny area now, right? So let's increase this. So now I'm looking towards to breaking we should break this V shape inside this M for us to make use of as a design. So we have to use rectangle to break in to trim out that, to reshape to reshape the hem in perfect order. Can you see? But before we break it, let us use that this thing before we can now delete it. Curve. Can you see that? So let's now break this. Remove. We have to zoom it for we to unable to see the shapes very well. Thank God. Can you see that? We are getting close. Okay, can you see that? Let me turn this to yeah. As you can see now, it's getting the results we want. But before we go, let's just change this or this to another color entirely. Then let's add black to it. Give us an ace. Can you see the color? So that's how to create smooth 68 logo. So thank you for being with us. Thank you for the viewer. Then God bless you all. Amen. Good day, everyone.